Hey, Jeep. Welcome to welcome to Upload YouTube. Welcome to Upload YouTube. It's the same VM. Blumik Domain for A-Train, knocking on free spin, WCO Squares Washing Machine. And having the boss shoes for WTN A32 /1 because it's dry anyway. And having the Blumik TKF A4 for to if they can't see bum dry anyway. So yeah, sorry guys, just want to tell guys we cover using my my grandparents as a Hoover Acre for John Spin Tray Class Montage All One Dominex DXOC 58 AC3/1 minus 80 anyway. So apparently we get to use my grandparents as Hoover Dominex again. Apparently anyway. So yeah, apparently today guys we get to use my grandparents as Hoover Acre for John Spin Tray Class 1 Touch Dominex DXOC 58 AC3/1 minus 80 anyway. Which apparently get to use this machine today, apparently anyway. Just you can tell anyway, because apparently get to use this machine apparently anyway, the Hoover Dominex anyway. So yeah, guys, just want to tell guys, we're gonna be washing this just a few load of like some sort of just like mixed whites you can tell anyway, and towels anyway. We're just washing some sort of small load of whites you can tell anyway. Which we're gonna do all in one day we're gonna do all in 159 minutes in this one anyway. So there's 4 anyway. Just gonna load up the whites anyway. It's apparently a small load of whites, you can tell anyway. Like as usual anyway. It's always just mixed load of whites you can tell anyway. So yeah, apparently it's just a small load of whites you can tell anyway. And of course the heavy towel as well anyway. So yeah. But just you can tell, it's just you can see because it is currently a small load of whites anyway, but just a mixed whites you can tell anyway, and a towel as well anyway. So anyway, so detergents that we're gonna be using for this one today, which we're going to be using Bold 2-1 Touch with Lenore Freshness Water Solution Flower Water Lead anyway. So probably we're going to be using that today anyway, Bold 2-1 Touch with Lenore anyway. So yeah, the same detergent what we used last time anyway. The source number we're going to use for this one today, we're going to use Comfort Grey Blue Skies anyway. We're going to be using the Comfort Blue Skies anyway, which this one is supposed to be known as Creative Blue Skies anyway. As you can tell anyway. Hold on a minute, just shut the door a minute anyway. There you go, just shut the door anyway. So we're going to put in the Bold 2-1 in first anyway, and then the conditioner anyway. Because this is what we do anyway. Hold on a minute, it looks like this one's also white anyway. Yeah, maybe just put that one in anyway. Hold on a minute. There you go. Just because I didn't know there was just another white load there as well anyway. No, we're just going to need the least amount of powder anyway. And we're going to put in some Comfort Grey Blue Skies in anyway. There you go. Just because there's only going to use half a cap anyway. That one anyway. So anyway, we're going to use the all-in-one 59 minutes today anyway. With a temperature set at 40 degrees anyway, with a 1200 spin anyway. So that's what we're going to do anyway. Not going to use any options anyway. Apparently, not going to use any options in this one anyway. And of course we got a load of small load of darks, as you can see in the Bosch Series 4 WTA 792 /2 Venice dry, as you can tell anyway. We've got a small load of just you can tell, we've only got a small load of some darks anyway. Just you can tell anyway. Which just you can tell it's not really 100% dry anyway. So I'm just gonna juice it with time pro and warm anyway. We're only gonna stick that for 1 hour 20 minutes anyway on this one anyway. So the Hoover's going to do the all-in-one 59 minutes anyway, which is going to be at 40 degrees with a 1200 spin anyway. It's going to hit start anyway. So it's just catch and install main wash, so it's catch that anyway. This cheap Hoover's just now main wash anyway. Hoover's just now is main wash anyway. So just want to tell you guys, we're not even just you can tell you guys we're tiny bit of sesame wash anyway. With the bold 2 more lotion flour water then anyway. Just you can see we're tiny bit of sesame wash anyway. And just you can see we just only got about 30 minutes left anyway. And just you can see the temperature's just reached 240 degrees anyway. So just you can see we're now on the main wash stage now anyway. Just at 40 degrees anyway. Just you can see on the Hoover anyway. Just reached 240 degrees anyway. So it's just catch when it's just on the first spin and, well, a catch when it's just on first spin anyway, and then probably first spin and then final spin, so it's catch that anyway. This cheap Hoover's just now doing from the main wash, just out to main wash anyway. So we're just doing from the main wash anyway. Just you can see this machine's got about 26 minutes left anyway. And we're just getting ready for the first spins I believe anyway, because this machine probably doesn't do intermediate spins anyway. Just so I believe this machine doesn't do intermediate spins for the first spin anyway, because it doesn't do intermediate spins on this one anyway. Now we're on to first wins, now we are. First win stage 1, 2. Now on to first wins anyway. Good, looks like pretty static there, as you can see anyway. Very static there, just you can see anyway. Very static there. And there we are, we're draining now, there we are. Finally draining anyway. It only does like 2 minute rinse it does anyway. It's because on the Hoover, don't know, because it only does like two rinses anyway. Which because on the Rapid it does like quicker rinse anyway. Which does like on the daily 59 minutes, which is like on the all-in-one 59 minutes, which that's the daily wash side anyway. Anyway, because the all-in-one 59 minutes is the daily wash anyway. That's what I think that's what it means there, because it's because the daily wash anyway. That's where it does like 2 minute rinsing anyway. Look how much foam itself just create anyway. Just creates so much foam there, you can see anyway. It's just creates so much foam there, just you can see anyway. So sudsy it was in the first rinse. I can't believe it. Can't believe the Hoover got so sudsy for the first time anyway. First time it got really sudsy on first rinse anyway. Now it's going to do the first intermediate spin anyway. They are 400. That's 400 spin. Oh, there we are. We're now into final minutes anyway. As you can see, the time is just now cut down to 8 minutes. You can tell anyway. Time is just now cut down to 8 minutes anyway. So that means we're straight on to final minutes anyway. As you can see, we've filled up just a nice high water level there, as you can see anyway. Filled about there at dead anyway. Just halfway from the doors here anyway. Oh yeah, so, by the way guys, I would just let you know when the machine just starts draining for the final spin anyway. Now I'll pause the video anyway. So yeah. Just, this is like the rapid rinse it does anyway. So pause the video when the machine is draining anyway, just for the final rinse anyway. Now we'll probably go on to final spin then anyway. It's cheap. Who first is now doing from the final rinse, straight down to final rinse anyway. So we're doing from the final rinse anyway. Just you can see this machine's got about 4 minutes left anyway. And we're going to go with final spin at 1200 anyway, which is obviously is going to do a default spin to 12,000 anyway. like it does on the Rapids anyway. It's going to do default spin to 1000 anyway, not 1200 anyway. I doubt it's going to do 1200, I'm not very sure anyway. It's because on the Rapid it does 1000 spin on foreign spin anyway. Yeah, we're going to go for foreign spin now anyway. Oh, bouncing Josh. First temp. Now going on second temp. Yeah, second temp now on third temp. Third temp now on fourth temp. Fourth temp now on fifth temp. So that's 300. That's 400 that was anyway. I think that's going to do his original spin anyway, which is going to do 1,000 I believe anyway, or 1,200, I don't know. That's 400. Looks about 800 I think, yeah, that's 800. There we go, that's 1,000. Gotta say that motor bearing just screeching anyway. That motor bearing just screeching on this machine anyway. Just gotta tell feeling anyway. That motor bearing just screeching on this anyway. It's absolutely well screeching anyway. When it goes up to 800 it screeches about, it only screeches quite a bit anyway. When it goes to 800 anyway, just gets it so screechy anyway. Well, that's now going up to 1,200. Or maybe not anyway. Looks like it's probably 1,100 or 1,000 or something anyway. I'll say it's more like 1,200 anyway. I think it is 1,200 to me, that apparently, all 1,100, I don't know. Yeah, you hear that though, anyway, that's the motor screeching anyway. Right, best get basketball anyway. As you can tell, Bosch is for WTA 702 Series Astro 2 fan dryers. Obviously got around about 20 minutes there for drying stage anyway. But it's on the time frame warmage, as you can tell anyway. But I think because at the start of the video it wasn't 100% dry anyway, which my granddad just put it on sheds drying anyway. Which it was that pro when she put it on anyway, but it was on the sheds drying anyway. That's why she ended up on sheds drying anyway. Which day, because it was 100% dry, I just thought made to put on time frame warm anyway. Just you can see it's got about 20 minutes left of drying anyway, just you can tell anyway. So wait for this machine to unlock anyway. Right, just to see what the results are anyway. I doubt that's smelling quite good in there anyway. I doubt that smells quite good in there anyway. Oh yeah, look at that. It smells pretty nice in there anyway. It smells pretty gorgeous now. I've got to tell, that smell is quite gorgeous in there anyway. Especially the first time using all the 159 meds fine spin now apparently anyway. It's the first time using that apparently anyway. Yeah, so yeah, it smells a bit cleaner now, as you can tell anyway. It smells pretty nice anyway. Between the bold 2-in-1 and this comfort anyway. So yeah. Well, that's the tab there as well anyway. So yeah, that's the heavy tab there as well anyway. Especially because on the first spin it didn't do bouncing in temps or nothing anyway. But only on the final spin it did bouncing in temps anyway. Only on the final spin it only done bouncing dry temps anyway. So yeah. So yeah, but by the way guys, don't know what the next cycle will be on this machine anyway. So yeah, don't know what the next cycle will be anyway. It's supposed to be to next month though, because I will be filming the cotton side next anyway. I think next month on the Hoover, when it's April, I might do the cotton's 60 or 40 side next anyway. If we could do a Nacra Plus anyway, which that's what I was thinking to do anyway. Probably do that of like darks or whites anyway in the Hoover, AKR Vintage Spin Triple A Class or E1 Dublin X anyway, which we probably could do Cotton 60 or 40 next anyway. But I think the only thing we haven't done yet is Cotton's 40 on the Hoover yet anyway. We need to try that cycle next anyway. Do Cotton's 40 anyway on the Hoover Dublin X anyway. Probably do Cotton's 40 anyway on the Hoover Dublin X anyway. So yeah, and especially early one, obviously in the Bosch very perfect early one anyway. The Bosch very perfect WK282/11 early one anyway, with the dry jacket anyway on the spinning joint only with an easy on option anyway. Which I think, like I said, which like I said though, because we will be doing the cotton spin next anyway, with another dry clothes anyway. Do cotton spin anyway, the spin only 400 anyway. Do the cotton spin next anyway, without using the easy on anyway. Do another spin joint only anyway. I think it's because, by the way though, because we have done a spin joint only anyway on these two machines anyway. But one thing we haven't done yet is the anti-spin race. We haven't done anyway, because we haven't done anti-spin race on these anyway. On these machines, we haven't done anti-spin race or nothing yet anyway. We haven't done anti-spin race without putting a load in it anyway. Which that's what we're going to do next anyway. Doing anti-spin race anyway, see what that's like anyway. Probably doing anti-spin race anyway, which that's the one we haven't done it on these two machines, for the Bosch Very Perfect and the Hoover anyway. Because we haven't done the anti-spin race yet anyway, without a load anyway. So yeah, so it's only guys. So it's really so I don't know what the next cycle will be though. It might be dark colours or cottons next anyway. That we might be moving on to anyway. So yeah, this Monday coming we'll be filming my Auntie's Hoover Lean 10kg hopefully anyway. So hopefully we'll be filming my Auntie's Hoover Lean 10kg next anyway. So yeah, that'll be his machine we're going to do next anyway. We'll be filming my auntie's Hoover Lean 10 kilogram coming up this Monday anyway, because it's my cousin's 40th birthday anyway. So that's where we'll be filming the Hoover Lean 10 kilogram anyway. Hopefully we'll be filming the Hoover Lean 10 kilogram anyway, which I can't remember what the model was anyway. Because so yeah, so that means we probably might do cotton 60 or 40 on this anyway, on the Hoover Lean 10 kilogram anyway, in my auntie's Hoover Lean 10 kilogram anyway. Which that's the only video we're going to do next anyway. So yeah, that's the only video we're going to do next, is the Hoover Lean 10 kilogram we've got from next anyway. Hoping anyway. And especially because I went to British Heart Foundation today anyway, especially saw the surprise machine was the whole paint 6 kilogram Acrobius washing machine anyway. I think the model was WMAQ something anyway. I think it was 621G I think it was anyway, the graphite machine anyway. Yeah, the 6 kilogram whole paint I've seen today anyway, just done at the BHF anyway. Just saw a whole paint 6 kilogram Acrobius anyway. So yeah, basically it had an Indosat drum anyway, like my nan's used to have anyway, was the Indosat IWC SS165 anyway, which his machine used to be a 6 kilogram anyway. Because I think because the whole pin one it's got exactly a small 6 kilogram anyway. But to me it looks more like a 5 kilogram anyway. But to me it did turn like a 5 kilogram machine anyway. It turned like the 5 kilogram anyway, but it's not anyway. It turns like the old fashioned Indosat drum anyway, but it's not anyway. But it did a bit like it anyway. So yeah. So hopefully we will do the Collins 40 side next on this machine anyway. Hopefully do Collins 40 side next on the Hoover anyway. Or maybe do an empty spin race anyway, between the Bosch and the Hoover anyway. I think we might do it for the next video, do an empty spin race between the Bosch Ray Pivot and the Hoover anyway. Probably both do empty spin race anyway, between the Bosch Ray Pivot and the Hoover anyway. That'll be for the next video when I come anyway. That'll be for the next video anyway. We probably could do that for the next video anyway. Do an empty spin race between the Bosch and the Hoover anyway. So yeah. That'll be for the next empty spin race we could do anyway for my next visit and my grandparents anyway. Do an empty spin race on this anyway. So yeah. Oh yeah, there's still a programs to use apparently anyway. But I think what we did use on this Hoover was Collins 60 Delicates we've used. Anyway, we used the Delicate side and then we used rugby 40 minutes and 30 minutes anyway. And we used all in 159 minutes anyway. Actually all in 159 minutes we did use anyway. So yeah. I think this is what my grandparents tend to use, is the all-in-one 59 minutes anyway, rather than using the rapid anyway. It could be all-in-one 59 minutes or the rapid side anyway. I don't know what the all-in-one 20 degrees looks like anyway. Don't know what the all-in-one 20 degrees sounds out like anyway. All-in-one 20 degrees anyway. Don't know what that's like anyway. The all-in-one 20 degrees anyway. Don't know what that one's like anyway. Might be for the next I could do anyway. Do all-in-one 20 degrees anyway, but I'm not very sure anyway. But the old baby 60 degrees is basically goes to 1500 anyway. So yeah, might do all baby 60 degrees next anyway, all Collins anyway, because I know we did use Collins so much anyway. But might try all baby 60 degrees anyway, which that comes at 1500 spin anyway. So is the Collins though, because Collins way longer anyway. So yeah, the Collins side is way longer anyway. Maybe might try all baby 60 degrees anyway. Maybe try that anyway. Do the baby 60 degrees anyway. So yeah, with a NACA Plus anyway. Probably do that option anyway. Which spin speed is 1500 anyway. So we do that cycle anyway. Maybe a load of whites or towels we do that with anyway. So yeah. So yeah, it's only guys. So yeah, it's been a pleasure to see the Hoover Dominex again anyway. Especially in action and something anyway. I remember one time with the whites I did the rapid 30 minute side anyway, which I remember doing that anyway. Remember I used to do rapid 30 minutes anyway, which I ended up deleting it from YouTube anyway. Which I didn't like it obviously anyway, because so yeah. So hopefully you might try that cycle anyway, do all baby 60 degrees anyway with a 1500 spin and an NACA Plus anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, so just what so yeah, just say guys, stay tuned. However on YouTube, stay tuned, whether on YouTube, stay tuned, whether on YouTube it's going to be, maybe on YouTube it's going to be, whether on YouTube at Goonie Crest, whether my grandparents' old machine, which is the Bosch Very Perfect WK3260GB/11 washing machine. That's the one I did the spinning drain only with an easy on anyway, with dry jacket anyway. That's what I did earlier anyway. All my grandparents' new machine is the Hoover 8kg 3-ton spin Travail Cross, all-in-one Dominex One Touch, DXOC 58 AC3/1-80 anyway. Or Bosch Shoes for WTA 792/02 Venet Dry anyway. Which as you can see is just obviously got them minutes there for drying anyway, with a small load of darks anyway. It's based on my granddad's stuff anyway, like trousers and then jumper anyway. Did you tell anyway? So yeah, so it's got about 11 minutes left drying anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So it's really so yeah, we might probably move on to all baby 60 degrees next anyway. Probably try that cycle and see what that's like anyway. Do the all baby 60 degrees next anyway, and see what that cycle turns out like anyway. Doing all baby 60 degrees anyway in the Hoover anyway. So hopefully that'll be for the next cycle anyway. Do all baby 60 degrees anyway. So yeah, we'll see what that cycle turns out like anyway on the Hoover Dominex anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, so just anyway, so hopefully for next visit we'll do empty spin race between the Bosch Rate Perfect and the Hoover anyway. So that means we both do empty spin race together anyway, without putting a load in it though anyway. So that means Bosch Rate Perfect will do 300 spin and Hoover will do 50 spin anyway. So yeah, so that means we do empty spin race between these two machines anyway, without putting a load in it anyway. So that's what we're hoping to do next anyway. Do an empty spin race anyway, with the Hoover and the Bosch anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, so yeah, like we said, we will do more videos of the Hoover again very soon anyway. Hopefully anyway. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys for Twitter by the way. And apparently I did film the Bosch Rate Perfect by the way anyway. Which I did the dry jacket anyway, which I did it on the spin joint only with an easy iron anyway, which that's one I'm filmed for ages anyway, which that's going to go on YouTube later apparently anyway, just before when I download the Hoover anyway. So that means I could do a chair video, download and then the Bosch Rate Perfect anyway, and then this machine anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, so yeah, we'll do more videos of this machine very soon anyway. So yeah, guys, don't forget to keep it supreme and give the hobby never.